it's Niecy and I am back at you with another video. So today's video is about my health journey, or my journey to health. So I recently got back into the gym, and this week was my first week meal prepping and trying to eat the right things at the right time and eating enough at the right time. So my first day at the gym, y'all, listen, I was in pain for an entire week. I really overdid it because I haven't been in the gym in like a very, very long time, and I don't know, I was just so excited to be back. So I was just doing everything. I was on the ropes, y'all, and I was just doing it all. And so I suffered because of that. And next time I went back, I went with one of my friends, and he trains people. So it was me, him, and a couple other of my friends, and he really like showed us like what exercises we should be doing and how we should be doing them properly. And that time around, I wasn't in as much pain, but my thighs were on fire, okay? Like the whole rest of the week, my thighs hurt, and I stay on the 3rd floor. So just imagine your thighs hurting and having to walk to the 3rd floor every day, okay? Just get that in your head. So, I mean, besides working out, I went to Complete Nutrition, and they do a BMI test for you, so you can know like how much of your weight is muscle, how much of your weight is water, how many calories you burn overnight, and all of that good stuff. And the machines basically said that I'm a bunch of muscle. I don't see it, but apparently I'm a bunch of muscle. That makes up a good bit of my weight. My water was a little low, but I hadn't really drank any water that day, so I've been working on drinking more water. It also said that, what was the other thing? I don't remember, but it was a good thing to see, so I can track, you know, where I need to be and where I want to be. And I plan on going back weekly to see like if I'm improving on my journey to my health. And I say journey to my health because I don't want this to be all about losing weight and, you know, being toned and stuff. Like all of that stuff is good, but I also want to be healthy. I want to be able to walk up a flight of stairs and not feel like I'm out of breath because I am young. And so that's why I'm making health a priority in this. That's why I'm, you know, doing the right things and eating the right foods at the right times and as much as I need to. And based on the charts, while I'm sleeping, I burn 1,498 calories. So with that being said, I definitely need to eat more because I know I eat nowhere near that in a day. I don't really eat, which is a problem, which is probably adding to why I'm the way that I am, because I mean, shoot, like when you don't eat, your body holds on to the fats from whatever food you've eaten that day, because your food is your energy for you to continue through the day. So it's like when a bear goes to hibernate, a bear eat up until the day they need to hibernate. And when they go in for hibernation, they don't eat anymore until after that hibernation. So because their body is feeding off of that very last meal they ate, that's all the energy they're getting. And I mean, they're sleeping, so they don't really need all of that energy. But for us, if we're eating once a day, our body is trying to feed off of that little bit of food that we had, and it makes you gain more weight because it turns it all into fat to make energy. So it's better if you eat. I'm learning this, but you have to eat before 9 o'clock your breakfast, and then you need to eat again at 12 and again at 3 and again at 6. And then of course in between you'll have your little snacks. So your snack after breakfast and then a snack after lunch. And I pretty much, like, this week has been grilled chicken, broccoli, and brown rice. And I've had my protein shakes for like the meal replacement shakes. And I've done oatmeal for breakfast. And I've had kiwi and string cheese for my snacks. So I'm like, you know, I'm trying to do right and trying to eat the right things. And so far, I'm tired of eating chicken. So I need to cook something different. But you just kind of have to figure out what meals you want to eat and when you want to eat them. And when you meal prep, my friend told me what she does is halfway through the week, she'll cook something different so she doesn't get burnt out on one meal. So I'm going to definitely have to take her advice on that. And I've also been drinking a lemon and cucumber water every day to, help with burning fat. So yeah, that's pretty much where I am so far. This is only week 1. So I will definitely keep you all updated and drop down some stuff that you all do to stay healthy and stay fit. I would love to see all of the things that everyone does. And if you have any tips for me or any recipes, I would love if you all help me out and drop some of them down there. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I definitely appreciate you all for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely follow all my social media pages because like I always say, I do so much, and y'all need to be keeping up with your girl, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.